Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because I just got a box in of some of my personal Scentsy and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today I'm really excited because I got my Easter bars in, but I'm not going to be doing the first sniffs yet. It's too early, okay? But I got them. So I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those out first since I mentioned it. As a consultant, we have some perks. We get to get things early. And one of the things that you get to get are like collections that are about to drop. So I got two packs of the Easter bars. They're so pretty. I love Easter colors. So this is the bars. These are them. we're not gonna ruin the surprise, okay? It's too early for Easter. You gotta hold on to your horses. Hold your horses, okay? I'm not going to smell them either because I want to be surprised when I do my first sniffs. Okay, so I go through a ton of cotton cleanups. So I got myself 3 bags because I go through a lot of cotton cleanups. I love them. All right, so 3 bags of cotton cleanups. What else did I get? I got more laundry liquid. Got a lot of laundry. Seems like, why is the basket never empty? Why is it like, does like laundry just multiply like a mogwai? You remember what a mogwai is? Like a gremlin? Does it just multiply? Like, how does it happen? You do laundry and then you look in the basket and there's like, it never ends, you guys. But at least I have some amazing scented laundry and mine is Jammy Time. That's what I'm using right now and I love it. Okay, so I got 2 bottles of that. Then, you guys don't know, they took the dish soap out of our catalog. They're going to be making it into like collections and stuff, but like limited time. But I can't be without my dish soap. And this one's my favorite. First of all, I think the bottle's pretty, but I just love the scent and I love the way it works. It's just fantastic. And it's 20% off right now, you guys. The dish soap is 20% off. I love it. I love it. So I got Squeeze the Day 3 bottles. That ought to hold me until they release some. And then, because I'm obsessed with this scent, let me get them out. And I just did, we have a garbage day tomorrow, and I just broke up all my boxes and put it out there. And guess what? Now I have another box. So I'm already ready to go for next week. Never ends. All right. So I got a 6-pack of the Starburst Sky. I absolutely love this scent. It's one of the Valentine scents. And it is so good. I got a 6-pack of pods. Oh, it's so good. So that's what I got, you guys. It wasn't a huge haul. It was like my personal stuff that I use. And yeah, so that's what I got. And I spent the day kind of redoing this. It's a little boring. I'm not done. I can't lie, you guys. After what I had for Valentine's Day, I mean, it's pretty. But yeah, it needs something. I don't know what yet. We'll find that out. I have all day to do it tomorrow. But yeah, I gotta figure something out. I'm not super excited about it. It's pretty, but it's pretty boring. Anyways, you guys know me. I'm very extra. I like it to be like, boom, pow. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.